हेलो एवरीवन, अ वेरी वार्म वेलकम टू इनसाइटोनॉमिक्स। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल। आई एम भावना सिंह, अ वेरी क्यूट फ्रेंड ऑफ योर्स। We'll learn economics together. Stay tuned with me. Let's start the topic for today. I'm going to solve this particular numerical that is based on the Cobb-Douglas utility function, where we are going to derive x star and y star, that is the optimum quantities of good x and y that will give you the maximum satisfaction given your constraints. And we also derive the indirect utility function that represents the maximum utility. Okay, and in our case we have been given this objective function that we have to maximize, that is we have to maximize the utility subject to budget constraint. So what are our constraints? Your income, that is given 90 rupees, and your prices respectively. So price of good x is 2 and price of y is 4. Now with these constraints we have to derive the demand function for x and y. That means how much or how many units of good x and y a consumer will consume with these given income and the prices. And we'll also derive the VUR, that is the maximum utility. Okay, so start करते हैं. So again we know, in order to derive the demand function we have to fulfill this condition, this equilibrium condition, where a consumer maximizes the utility. So at equilibrium your MRS must, that is equals to the ratio of MU x and MU y, that is the marginal utility for x and y, must be equal to ratio of prices, that is price of x and price of y. So this is our equilibrium condition, जिससे कि हम लोग मैक्सिमम यूटिलिटी डिराइव करेंगे. ओके, सॉल्व करते हैं फॉर MU x and MU y बिकॉज प्राइस ऑफ x and y आर गिवन. So MU x is the partial derivative of your utility function with respect to x. So MU x marginal utility of x, ये सिंपली आपको ये बताती है कि जब भी आप लेट से आप अभी 10 यूनिट्स x कंज्यूम कर रहे हो एंड आपको एक यूनिट एक्स्ट्रा कंज्यूम करना है, तो जब आप एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट एक बढ़ाओगे, टोटल हो गया 11 नाउ. सो दैट आप जो आपने एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट एक बढ़ाई ऑफ x, आपने एक एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट कंज्यूम किया x का, देन हाउ मच यूटिलिटी यू विल गेट फ्रॉम दैट additional consumption, that will represent the marginal utility for x. Okay, so your utility function is something like that. Let me see. Okay, x exponent 1 by 4 and y 1 by 2. This is your utility function. We have to derive it. We have to take the partial derivative of it. So we'll solve with respect to x. So 1 by 4 is the exponent power, आगे आ जाएगी x. 1 by 4 is the power -1. So डेरिवेशन का सिंपल रूल रहता है x to the power n. जो भी पावर है, जब आप इसका डेरिवेशन लेते हैं पार्शियल डेरिवेशन, तो n पावर आगे आ जाती है. इन योर x n -1. सो इन आवर केस 1 by 4 इज़ द n. तो हमने इसका डेरिवेशन लिया, डिराइव किया, पार्शियल डेरिवेशन लिया, तो 1 by 4 आगे आया एंड 1 by 4 -1, so n -1. ओके, एन आपका y मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है, तो हमारा यहाँ पार्शियल डेरिवेशन ले रहे हैं, तो y एज इट इज़ रहेगा क्योंकि ये पार्शियल डेरिवेशन है. दिस इज योर MU x. नाउ सिमिलरली फॉर MU y we will take partial derivative of your utility function, the total utility function with respect to y. अब हमारा x एज इट इज़ रहेगा क्योंकि मैं y के रिस्पेक्ट में सॉल्व करना है, तो हमारा x एज इट इज़ 1 by 4. हमारा y का पावर है 1 by 2, y 1 by 2 y. तो इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करके लिखते हैं, कन्फ्यूज़न नहीं होगा आपको. सॉरी फॉर दिस. तो 1 by 2 आगे लिखते हैं, 1 by 2 x 1/4 y 1/2 minus 1. So this is our MUy. एंड अभी इसको इक्विलिब्रियम कंडीशन में पुट करते हैं. सो व्हाट इज आवर MUx is 1/4 x 1/4 minus 1, then your y 1/2, and now your MUy is 1/2 x 1/4, your y 1/2 minus 1 is equals to price ratio. Price of x is 2 and price of y is 4. ओके, सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. तो जो भी डिनोमिनेटर में वैल्यू रहती है, जैसे इस तरीके से है, अगर आपकी 1/2 एंड देन 3/4, तो आप इसको सॉल्व करते हो तो 3/4 ये डिनोमिनेटर में होल टर्म आप इसको न्यूमरेटर में लेके जाते हो तो ये रेसिप्रोकेट हो जाता है लाइक दिस 1/2 एंड हो जाएगा 4/3 लाइक दिस. तो हम लोग इसको सॉल्व करते हैं क्योंकि हमें सॉल्व करना है इसको. इट्स 2/4 is 1/2, कैंसिल आउट 4x, इसको इंडिविजुअली लिख लेते हैं x एंड x टू द पावर -1. ओके, y हाफ एंड now it's 2y1 x 1/4 y 1/2 y minus 1 like this. wheel है 1/2, 2 times and we'll get 1/2. अगर आपके पास सिंपली इस तरीके से है ना 1/4 एंड डिवाइडेड बाई 1/2, आप 2 से 4 कैंसिल आउट कर सकते हो. ये डिनोमिनेटर से डिनोमिनेटर वाली वैल्यू कैंसिल आउट हो जाती है. अभी सॉल्व करते हैं इसको. सो वी लेफ्ट आउट विद, सॉरी ये ऊपर नहीं रहेंगी, ये 1 के साथ है, इधर आएंगी x 1/4 x minus 1 y 1 minus 2, क्योंकि 1 बाई यहाँ 1/2 था. ओके, इसलिए आपको कोई कन्फ्यूजन हो तो आप पूछ लेना कमेंट सेक्शन में. सॉल्व करते हैं आगे. सो वी लेफ्ट आउट विद x 1/4 x minus 1 y 1/2 divided by this x 1/4 x minus 1. Okay, just wait, I think I am making some mistake. Yeah, sorry for that. Here you will have just wait. Okay, here you will have x 1/2 and y minus 1 like this. So it's y 1/2 and y 1 minus 1 इज इक्वल्स टू 1/2. ये आपका प्राइस रेशियो है. इसे हम लोगों ने सॉल्व किया तो विल गेट लाइक दिस. एक्स हाफ ये कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा एंड सिमिलरली ये दोनों कैंसिल आउट हो जाएंगे. एंड वी लेफ्ट आउट विद 1/2 x minus 1 y minus 1 इक्वल्स टू 1/2. एंड ये साइन नेगेटिव हैं तो पॉजिटिव करने के लिए x को न्यूमरेटर में डिनोमिनेटर में भेजेंगे तो जो भी पावर है वो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. एंड सिमिलरली फॉर y, सो वी विल गेट y बाई x. ये 1 है तो आप डिनोट नहीं कर रहे हो. एंड वी विल गेट 1/2 लाइक दिस. सॉल्व करते हैं इसको, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं लाइक दिस. सो यू लेफ्ट आउट विद 2y इज इक्वल्स टू 2x. ओके, दैट मीन्स 2 से 2 कैंसिल आउट, यू विल गेट x इज इक्वल्स टू y. you'll get this equation x is equals to y. अभी सॉल्व करते हैं, पुट करते हैं इसको इन आर कंस्ट्रेंट. Okay, so our constraint is your income is 90 and price of x is 2 and price of y is 4. So this is your budget constraint. Put करते हैं x को, put x and budget constraint. This is your budget constraint, budget function, or you can say that budget function. Budget function. Okay, so that we'll get the y star. To get y star. Okay, so solve it. 90, what is your x? X is equals to y. So x की जगह पे हम y लिख सकते हैं plus 4y. So you will get 6y. 90. When we'll solve it in terms of y, you'll get 90 divided by 6. So your y star will be 15. Okay, this is your y star. And as we know your x is equals to your y, so that means if your y is equals to 15, then x must be equals to 15. So you will get like this. So your both x star and y star is equals to 15 each, like this. So इसको इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं. Your x star and y star are 15 each. That consumer with the given income and the prices, a consumer will consume 15 units of good x and y each in order to maximize his or her utility. Okay, so हमारा फर्स्ट आंसर आ गया x star and y star. Now we are going to derive indirect utility function from it. So okay, your direct utility function tells you that when you consume particular goods, like in our case we have two goods like x and y, and let's take these are oranges and apples. Okay, so you have desired to consume oranges and apple. So you are making choice, you have some options, you are making choice between the two x and y, and you are consuming that. So when you are consuming that, you are fulfilling your desires, so you are getting some utility or the satisfaction. How much satisfaction will you get? This is not explained by the direct utility function. So this is our direct utility function. I'll tell you, this objective function is your direct utility function. That will tell you कि when you consume good x and y, or when you consume goods, you will get some satisfaction or utility out of that. But how much utility, how much satisfaction will you get? This is not explained by the direct utility function. Okay, so then indirect utility function is the another tool, another answer, we can say that, which explains that how much utility a consumer will get with the given income and the prices. Okay, so we will derive indirect utility function. So I'll again tell you what is indirect utility function before deriving it. So indirect utility function, that is represented by V bar. It's a constant term. This is a function of your income and the prices respectively. So in our case we have prices of x and prices of y. That means any changes in your income and the prices will affect your utility. Okay, so we can say that in bookish terms that indirect utility function is a function of your income and price of x and price of y. Okay, and simply understand it like this. When your income now you had 90 rupees, and now after a point of time you'll had suppose 100 rupees. Now your income is rising, so now you have more income, you are going to consume more good, so your x star and y star will be more. When you consume more, you will get more satisfaction. So when you get more satisfaction, that means your indirect utility will be high, because indirect utility function represents the maximum utility, that when you consume, let's say in our case, when you consume 15 units of x and y each, then you will get this much of satisfaction, a constant number. Okay, so we'll derive it. I hope I make it clear myself to you. So now we have x star and y star, and we are going to derive indirect utility function out of it. Okay, so we have direct utility function like this: x exponent 1 by 4 and y 1 by 2. So we have x and y, we'll put it here so that we'll get how much utility a consumer will get with these given x star and y star. X is 50, your y is also 50, 1 by 2. ओके, सो इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए, थोड़ा इसकी कैलकुलेशन ईजी करने के लिए इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. 1 by 4 we can also write it like this: 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, and 15 is 1 by 2. You can use the calculator to solve it. So 15, 1 by 2 of your 15, you will get 3.87, and then again 1 by 2. एक बार 1 by 2 किया, you will get 3.87, and then again you will 1 by 2. Similarly, you will get 3.87 once you take a under root of it, and again we have to take under root of it of 3.87. You will get 1.96. You can use the calculator for it. I have also done the same. 3.87, and when you multiply both the terms, you'll get your answer, that is 7.585. this is your V bar, that is the indirect utility function. So given your income and prices, a consumer will get this much of utility. This is the maximum utility a consumer can get with their given income and the prices. Okay, so ये numerical solve हो गया. So we'll get V bar 7.585, and our x star and y star are 15 and 15 each. So I hope आप लोगों को ये clear हुआ होगा. एंड अगर आप लोगों को कोई भी किसी भी तरीके का डाउट है तो आप टेलीग्राम चैनल पर या कमेंट सेक्शन में पूछ सकते हैं. we'll try to solve it. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find our content insightful and productive, make sure to share, subscribe, and hit that like button. That will help us to grow and learn together. If you had any suggestions, queries, please do comment us, and you can join us on our Telegram channel. Thank you. मिलते हैं next video में.